Yes, students, a very warm welcome to today's class. I hope you all are good and safe. So, as you all know that in our previous class, we have started the chapter Albert Einstein at School, right? Albert Einstein at School is a chapter from your English book, and it's a very interesting chapter. It's about a boy who does not want to spend his time in school, who immediately anyhow wants to leave the school because he is not at all interested in studies. He finds the school bad and he says that there's no point learning things. There's no point just ratifying the facts, and that is why he says that I have to leave this school as soon as possible. I have to leave this place and move away. So this chapter, it opens up in the history class where Mr. Brown is asking Einstein a question related to dates, and Einstein gives a frank reply that he does not remember the answer. So with this, the chapter begins, and the point from where we have to start today is that Yuri, his friend, sends him to a newly qualified doctor. एक newly qualified doctor है that his name is Ernest Will. Now Albert's friend Yuri fixes an appointment for his with the doctor and he sends him to meet him. Now he is a very understanding person and he gives the certificate to Einstein also. What certificate he needed now? He gives that, and that certificate was stating what? That Einstein is close to a nervous breakdown and he should be kept away from school for 6 months. Okay, from this point जो है ये हमें start करना है. So see, we'll take a थोड़ा सा पीछे से इसको वापस आज start करते हैं. वैसे तो हमें next page से करना था, but we'll take 2, 3, 4 lines or 1, 2 paragraphs from this page. Okay. So now we'll see now exactly. Now Dr. Ernest Weil, he is a specialist in nervous troubles, asked Albert. Albert ने बोला, okay, so Dr. Ernest Weil है, whom I have to meet. So is he a specialist in nervous troubles? Asked Albert. Now Yuri admitted, he says not exactly. As a matter of fact, वो last week he as a doctor he has been qualified. And you may even be his first patient. और तुम उनके first patient भी हो सकते हो. You knew him as a student then. Now Albert says, तो फिर तुम तो उसको एक student की तरह ही जानते हो ना. You don't know him as a doctor. Now, but now you know what Yuri says. Yuri hesitates for a few moments, but he says that I have known Ernest for years. मैं बहुत सालों से Ernest को जानता हूँ. And you know Albert that he is a very sensible man. He is not a fool. वो पागल नहीं है. So just don't try to fool him. उसे पागल बनाने की कोशिश मत करना. What do you mean? Now Albert asks, तुमने मुझे ये जो piece of suggestion दिया है, what does it mean? क्या मतलब क्या है इसका? Now he says, don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. That is, don't try to pull a curtain in front of his eyes. उसकी आंखों पे पर्दा डालने की कोशिश मत करना. That's all. He knows everything. He is very smart enough. And be frank with him, but don't pretend you have what you have heard. He says, be frank with him. उसके साथ में frank रहना, सारी बात करना, tell him openly what you exactly are facing and what you want to do. And but you know what? एक चीज का ध्यान देना. Don't pretend that you have got what you haven't. ऐसा pretend मत करना that तुम जो तुम्हारे पास जो नहीं है वो that you are pretending to have. Not that you would deceive anyone. ऐसा नहीं है that कि तुम किसी को पागल बना लोगे. Yuri added, you are the world's worst liar. तुम इस दुनिया की ना worst liar हो. Albert spent the next day wondering. Albert ने अपना next day बिल्कुल wonder करते हुए बिता दिया what to tell the doctor. Doctor को क्या बताना है? When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. Now he says, but when the time came for the appointment with the doctor, he was very nervous. He was really very nervous and he was very worried of it. What worried with it? And along with that, he was worried also. Nervous. Okay. So I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Wayne. He began. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me a history of the case. Oh, what did he say? Only that you want me to think that you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you must not go back to that school. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. Why not? Isn't it true then? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about the school. Now he says, I don't really know how to describe my trouble. मैं अपनी परेशानी कैसे describe करूँ Dr. Will? I don't know. And he began, उसने बोला. Now doctor says, don't try, कोशिश करो ही मत मुझे कुछ समझाने की. With a very friendly smile, he says that yes, I know what is your trouble because Yuri has already given me a history of your case. Yuri ने मुझे तुम्हारे केस की पूरी history दे दी है. Oh, what did he say? He says, okay, तो उन्होंने क्या कहा? What did he say? Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown. Only ये बोला उन्होंने मुझे that you want me to think that you want to have what? You have had a nervous breakdown and say that you must not go back to that school. And he also says that तुम्हें उस स्कूल में वापस नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. We shouldn't have told you that. Now he says, Albert का face ना एकदम से मुरझा गया. And he says, उसको तुम्हें ये सब नहीं बताना चाहिए था. बस जितना मैंने बोला था उतना ही बोल दे. He should not have given you that this much expression. Okay. So ये further what he says, उन्होंने क्या बोला? He says कि उसे नहीं बताना चाहिए था. Why not? Isn't it true then? उसने बोला क्यों नहीं बताना चाहिए था? सच नहीं है क्या ये? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. Now he says yes. The thing is कि है ना होगा क्या? आप मुझे अब बोल दोगे that there is nothing wrong with me and I am all right and I should go back to the school. As a matter of fact, it's not true. So he says, उन्होंने ऐसी बात बोली and you will tell me that I have to go back to school. मुझे वापस स्कूल जाना पड़ेगा. Now said the doctor what? Don't be too sure of that. इतने sure मत हो इस चीज के लिए, ऐसा नहीं होगा. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. Now he says, as a matter of fact, मैं pretty sure that you are in a nervous state about the school. कि आप स्कूल को लेके ना you are in a very nervous state. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert. Albert says, मैंने तो आपको कुछ नहीं बताया. Wide-eyed आंखें ऐसी बड़ी-बड़ी खुली उसकी. How can you know that? आपको कैसे पता ये? Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. That's why now, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from the school for a while, what will you do? Now says that, क्या बोलते हैं? But he says because you wouldn't have, अगर तुम्हारे साथ सब चीजें ठीक होती ना, अगर तुम सच में नर्वस क्लोज डाउन के बहुत क्लोज नहीं होते, तुम बहुत घबराए हुए नहीं होते, तो वो you would not have come to me, तुम मेरे पास आते ही नहीं. That's why, इसीलिए I says, मैंने ये बात बोली है, said the doctor briskly that if I certify, अगर मैं ये बात बोल दूं that you have had a nervous breakdown, कि तुम्हारा एक nervous breakdown हुआ है, and you must stay away from a school or a while, what you will do? और for a while एक कुछ समय के लिए you have to stay away from school. What will you do? तुम क्या करोगे? Okay, tell me. अगर मैं ऐसा बोल दूं, ये सर्टिफिकेट तुम्हें दे दूं, then what you are going to do? He says, I will go to Italy, said Albert. Albert ने बोला, I will go to Italy. To Milan, with where my parents are. मैं मिलान चला जाऊंगा, where my parents are. And now further he says, and what will you do there? वहाँ क्या करोगे? I'll try to get into an Italian college or institute. How can you go without a diploma? I'll ask my teacher, mathematics teacher, to give me something about my work, and perhaps that will be enough. I have learned all the maths they teach at school and a bit more. He added then. Dr. Bean looked doubtful. Now he says, I'll ask my mathematics teacher about this and he will definitely give me something about my work, and that particular work will be enough. And as you know that I have learned enough of mathematics they teach at school and a bit more, he added when Dr. V looked doubtful. Well, it's up to you, he says. If I doubted if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be all right? He says, well, it's up to you, he said. उन्होंने बोला, I doubt, मुझे doubt है if it will come off, अगर ऐसा होगा, but I can see, but मैं देख सकता हूँ that you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying there. आप ना अपने साथ या किसी और के साथ you are not going to do much good, आप बहुत अच्छा नहीं करने वाले हो by staying here. How long would you like me to say you are you should stay away from school. कितने महीने के लिए छुट्टी के लिए तुम्हें अलाउ करूं मैं? Would 6 months be all right? He says 6 महीने काफी हैं. That is very kind of you, sir. It's nothing. I only have just stopped being a student myself, and now I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Vale handed him the certificate, and best of luck. Now he says, sir, 6 months you are allowing me. This is a very kind thing from your side to me. I'm very happy seeing this. So that will be great of you. And now for this reply, he says that it's nothing. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Because I have myself stopped being a student recently. मैं अभी तो being a student, मेरा अभी studentship खत्म हुआ है, and I have become a professional now. So how can I feel? मैं आप कैसा feel कर रहे हो? That I can feel. And here you are, you're yellow. And he handed him a certificate and says, best of luck. How much? He says, how much? He says, nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. He's a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. उसने बोला सर इसके लिए आपको कितना पेमेंट करना है? He says nothing. अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत एक्स्ट्रा है ना देने के लिए, just do one thing. Invite Yuri to a meal at your place. He's a good friend of mine and he's a good friend of yours too, I think. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. एल्बर्ट के पास स्पेयर करने के लिए तो कोई पैसा नहीं था, बट इसने ऐसा प्रिटेंड किया दैट ही हैड एंड ही टुक यूरी आउट टू सपर. सपर इज व्हाट? सपर इज फूड, खाना. डिनर पे लेके गया वो उसको. It's a wonderful, isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Yes, it's fine, Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This is why, this way, you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. I'll never go back to that place, Albert assured him. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. Now, Mr. Coach willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. Now, he says, when he's showing the certificate to Yuri, he says, isn't it wonderful? He says, yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. And he says, 6 months is a good period. 6 months क्या होता है? It's a good period. And this way, actually, तुम school भी नहीं छोड़ोगे. This says कि whenever a worst happens to you and you are nowhere to go, so you can come back and carry on for your diploma at this place. He says, no, once I get out of this place, I'm never going to be back at this place. Albert assured him. I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of the whole matter. He says, don't forget that before you hand this letter to the principal, headmistress, or head teacher, we say, but doing that, उससे पहले take a reference from your mathematics teacher first, because that's going to help you to take admission somewhere else. Mr. Coach willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. उन्होंने बहुत ही फटाफट से और बहुत ही readily वो reference दे दिया Albert को that he wanted. If I say I can't teach you anymore, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? He asked. That's saying too much, sir, said Albert. It's only the truth. But all right, I'll put it more seriously. Now it was still a glowing reference. And Mr. Coach made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter the college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Now see, further क्या हुआ? Now Mr. Coach willingly gave him the reference what he wanted, and he says, now what he's saying, he asked that if I say I can't teach you anymore and probably very soon you are going to teach me, will that be all right? Mr. Coach asked. Now Albert said what? He says, no sir, आप तो बहुत बड़ी बात बोल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Now he says it's only truth, but all right. मैं इसे थोड़ा और seriously put up कर देता हूँ. Now वो जो reference उन्होंने दिया ना, it was a glowing reference because it was about the intelligence and greatness of Albert, at least in mathematics subject. Now Mr. Coach made it a point that Albert इतना ready है that immediately he can enter any college or institute for further higher mathematics studies. I am sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. It's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, sir. But, said Albert, but how did you know I am leaving, sir? Now he says, उन्होंने क्या बोला? I am very sorry, Albert, that finally you are leaving us. But although तुम मेरी क्लास में अपना टाइम ही वेस्ट करते थे, now he says, sir, almost सिर्फ आपकी ही क्लास थी जिसमें मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करता था. But can I ask you one thing? He says, yes, you can. तो he says, but how did you know that I am leaving? आपको कैसे पता चला that I am leaving the school? You wouldn't have asked me for this reference, otherwise I thought you would wonder. There's nothing to wonder about, Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Albert was puzzled. What did the teacher mean? He soon found out before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, and he was summoned to the healed head room. Now he says, now when the teacher says there's nothing to wonder about, now he says कि तुम मुझे इसलिए मालूम है that you are going to leave the school because अगर तुम leave नहीं कर रहे होते ना तो you wouldn't have asked me for the reference. तुम reference के लिए मुझसे पूछते ही नहीं. But if you have asked, मुझे पता चल गया, and I thought you would wonder. तुम परेशान हो गए. He says there's nothing to wonder about. Einstein, हैरान होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. I knew that you were going to leave this school before you knew it yourself. Now again he was puzzled, and he was puzzled with the question that what did the teacher mean? He soon found out that before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, उन्हें बुला लिया गया, he was summoned to the head's room. Now there he goes, and what happens? Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for, but vaguely supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness when he had finished with punishments. Now he says कि चलो अच्छा ही है, वैसे तो डायरेक्ट बुला लिया गया, एटलीस्ट अभी जो हेड्स के रूम के बाहर वेट करना पड़ता ना, एटलीस्ट आई वोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर एन आवर और टू आउटसाइड द रूम ऑफ द हेड टीचर. Now he hardly bothers to find out that why he has been sent for, उसे क्यों कॉल किया गया है यहाँ पे. But vaguely he just supposed that he was to be punished again. He just supposed that जरूर उसे punishment देना होगा for the bad work and his laziness. Well, he had finished with punishment. See, वो अपने आप से ही बातें कर रहा है, अपने आप से उसका thought process चल रहा है. I am not going to punish you, the head teacher said, to Albert's surprise. Your work is terrible, but I am not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now. Now further वो क्या बोलते हैं? वो बोलते हैं Albert, I am not going to punish you. मैं नहीं तुम्हें punish करूँगा, says the head teacher to Albert. And to Albert's surprise, हैरान कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया? He was very surprised. Now the teacher says your work is terrible. बहुत बुरा work है तुम्हारा. Further he says that and I am not prepared to have you here any longer. और ज्यादा देर मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Einstein, I wanted to leave school now. Einstein said कि आप तो कब जाओगे, कहाँ जाओगे? I want to leave the school now. मुझे तो ये स्कूल अभी छोड़ना है. Leave school now, repeated Albert days. अब Albert बहुत days था, he just repeated leave school now. अभी स्कूल छोड़ना है. That is what I said. He says yes. यही है वो that I wanted to say. You mean? He says okay. So you mean, said Albert. तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? That I am to be expelled. आप क्या कहना चाहते हो सर? That I am to be expelled. That is, I am to be rusticated from the school. Oh my God! Now he is very surprised about this. You can take it that way if you wish, Einstein. The head teacher was not mincing words. The simplest thing will be for you to go of your own accord, and then the questions won't arise. But, said Albert, what crime have I committed? Now he says that you can take it. तुम इस चीज के साथ में yes, you can take it in the way you wish to take it, Einstein. But head teacher कुछ पागल तो बना नहीं रहे थे. वो वहां पे कोई कथा तो पढ़ नहीं रहे थे. The simplest thing will be for you to go of your school accord, of your own accord. जैसा तुम्हें ठीक लगता है तुम वैसे करो. And then questions won't arise. और तुम जब अपनी मर्जी से चीजें करोगे ना तो सवाल होंगे ही नहीं मन में. But एल्बर्ट ने बोला what crime have I committed? मैंने क्या crime commit किया है? Your presence in the classroom makes it simple. For who? Your presence in the classroom makes it simple for the Just a second. Yes, makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other pupils to learn. You refuse to learn, you are in constant rebellion and no serious work can be done while you are there. Now he says, who was this, sir? You have expelled me. The principal is handing over me the letter to me, that which is an expulsion letter. But can I know that what crime have I committed? मुझे क्यों यहाँ से expel किया जा रहा है? What are the reasons behind it? Now he says that Albert, your mere presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other people to learn. You refuse to learn and you are in constant rebellion and no serious work can be done while you are there. Okay. Now Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. Albert was now feeling कि जो medical certificate है, it's almost doing what? Burning a hole in his pocket. I was going to leave anyway. अब उसको ऐसा लगा कि उसको तो already वो जो चीज लेके आया था वो तो उसकी pocket में ही रह गई. And he was feeling very bad. And he says, I was going to leave anyway. He says मैं तो खुद ही वैसे ही छोड़ के जा रहा था. Then we are in agreement at least. Einstein, the head said. Now what the head teacher says, okay, तो फिर तो कोई परेशानी की सवाल जवाब की बात ही नहीं है. हम तुम्हें निकाल रहे हैं, तुम खुद जाना चाहते हो, तो we are in agreement with each other, right? So for a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man that he thought of him and of his school. Then he stopped himself without another word. Holding his head high, he stalked out. Now, for a moment, Albert was tempted that he should tell the man that he thought of him and he thought of his school. But then he stopped. He didn't say a word, a single word. And holding his head high, he just stalked out. Stalked means he just walked out of the room. Shut the door after you, shouted the head. Now the head says that shut the door after you. Shouted that Albert ignored him, but Albert ना गुस्से से ignore करके he straight away just stalked out. उसने नहीं पलट के कुछ भी turn नहीं किया. He walked straight on out of the road where he had spent 5 miserable years. ठीक है? Without turning his head to give it a last look, he could only think of anyone he wanted in Munich. He left like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the state. Era will be back. Elsa will be back in and he had no other real friends. Now he says, indeed, Yuri Jodha was almost the only person in Munich जो वहां से गए थे. And sorry, the earlier paragraph is left. He walked straight on out of the school जहाँ पे उन्होंने spend किए थे 5 miserable years. And without turning his head to give it a last look, what he did, he says he could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. उसके पास एक person नहीं था जिसे वो जाते जाते goodbye बोलना चाहे. And indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich जिसे वो feel कर रहे थे that before leaving the town he wants to see him and he met him before leaving the town. Now, because he says this town I had come to hate almost as much as the school. इस पूरे town को, all the people, as much as I hate the school, I hate everything over here. Elisa was back in Berlin and he had no other real friends. Elisa already वापस चली गई थी Berlin, and except Elisa, he says that I do not have my other real friends. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. Goodbye and good luck. किसने बोला? Yuri ने when he left. And you are going to a wonderful country. You are going to a very wonderful country. And further he says, I think, I hope we will be able to hope happier now. And he says that now as you are going to leave this place, you are going to a wonderful country, and I think and I hope you will be feeling wonderful and you will be happier over there. So this way we can say that this was the chapter that Albert Einstein at school. So at the end what happens? Einstein is called by the head teacher who informs him that he is being expelled from the school, and the head teacher tells him what? Head teacher tells him of his misbehavior in the classroom. Einstein, listening this, he was not at all sad. He happily leaves the school with the head high teacher, and he does not bid goodbye to any teacher and or student of that school. किसी को नहीं बोला उसने बाय, ठीक है? He was so upset with the school and the people around him. Now, but he was happy leaving the place. Before leaving for Milan, he meets his best friend Yuri. And further we can say that he only met his best friend Yuri except him, he meets no one, he wishes to meet no one. He is the one person, Yuri, who wishes him good luck for the future. And as उसका मिलने का मन था, तो on the other hand, it was only Yuri who wishes him good luck for his future. जिन्होंने उसको good luck दिया, good wishes दिया, and he just tell him that now you are going to a wonderful place where you wanted to go. You are leaving this place where you didn't want to stay anymore. So I hope, I wish, and I think that now you are going to be happier always, and good luck for your future. So this way, now the person only wanted to meet his friend before going, and the friend who wished him good luck and wished that he would be happier in Milan, and it was a wonderful place. Okay, understood? Okay, students, so we can say that with this we completed the chapter, and the things, question, answers we'll discuss in tomorrow's class before beginning our new topic. And for this today, so that you can go through the chapter and so that you'll be able to answer me the questions when asked to you in the class. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll start the next topic that is going to be very interesting because it's somewhere related to writing section or grammar section. So I hope you all will be here. So just take care of yourself for the time being, and be present in tomorrow's class, and keep studying and stay safe. Okay, bye bye.